Hello everyone, I am Vandita, studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. I am here to briefly discuss about civil engineering and their scopes. So first, what is engineering? Engineering is the practice of using natural science, mathematics, and the scientific method to solve the problems. It increases efficiency, productivity, and also helps in improvement of the system. Modern engineering comprises of many subfields which include designing, creating infrastructure, machinery, vehicles, electronics, materials, and energy. So next, what is civil engineering? Civil engineering is the oldest, broadest, and simple of various engineering fields. It is mainly related to planning, analysis, design, construction, and maintenance of buildings and any other structure. In order to build roads, bridges, dams, tunnels, and any other structure, the role of civil engineering is very necessary. So next, we'll discuss about scopes of different fields of civil engineering. Totally, there are 9 scopes of different fields of civil engineering, which include surveying, structural engineering, geotechnical engineering, hydraulics and water resources, transportational engineering, environmental engineering, construction planning and project management, earthquake engineering, remote sensing, and GIS. So, first, what is surveying? It is the science, art, of map making. It mainly deals with various types of measurements and plotting of maps. Unless maps are drawn, no development work and construction can be undertaken. So, surveying is a very important part in the construction of any structure. The common instruments used for surveying are chain, tape, compass, GPS, drones, etc. The classification of surveying is mainly done into 2 types. The first is the plane surveying, followed by the geodetic surveying. In the plane surveying, the effect of the curvature of the Earth's surface is not taken into account, whereas in geodetic surveying, the curvature of the Earth's surface is taken into account. So, next, we have the instruments that are used for surveying. Next, we'll move on to the building materials. What is a building material and what are the materials used for construction of a building? The materials used for construction of any structures are called as building materials. As we all know, shelter is the basic need of every human being. In order to get a good shelter, the instruments or the type of materials that are used for construction need to be of a very good quality. The building materials are mainly divided into natural and artificial. The man made things come under the artificial type. The natural includes sand, stone, timber, etc. Whereas in the man made, which is artificial, it includes bricks, cement, concrete, steel, etc. Next, we have the geotechnical engineering. What is geotechnical engineering? Geotechnical engineering, it mainly deals with the study of soil, its types, and their properties. So, soil properties may change from place to place, depth to depth, and even sometimes from season to seasons. Proper geotechnical engineering is essential for a safe and secure structure. The following are the uses of geotechnical engineering. In order to access quality, strength of the soil or rock to construction of any civil engineering structure, geotechnical engineering is a very important part. To design retaining walls for soil retainment, to decide the type of foundation for different type of structures, for design of underground structures such as tunnels, to design earthen dams for storage of water. Next, we have the structural engineering. The structural engineering mainly deals with analysis and designs of various structures such as steel structures, and concrete structures. The steel structures includes trusses in institutional buildings, towers, etc. Whereas in concrete structures, it includes buildings, bridges, dams, etc. What exactly is analysis? Analysis is the determining of the internal forces or stress developed in any structural components due to the applied load. Example, beams, columns, etc. What exactly is design? Fixing or finding the suitable dimension for structural components of any structures using various methods is called designing. The following are the uses of structural engineering: analysis and design of power generation station, analysis and design of steel industrial structure, repair, rehabilitation, and maintenance of structures, design of nuclear power plants. Next, we have construction planning and project management. What is construction planning? It deals with different type of construction of structures such as buildings, roads, bridges, etc. Construction of floating structures, it mainly includes excavation of the soil, construction of foundation, concreting, finishing it, etc., with different techniques and methods. So, what is project management? Planning for different construction equipment and machinery for construction project. It deals with planning, scheduling, excavation of construction activity, and related to project. It comprises of men, material, time, and money management. Next, we have the fluid mechanics, hydraulics, and water resources and irrigational engineering. What is hydraulics? As we all know, water is very important need for all human beings. It mainly deals with the study of mechanics of water and its flow characteristics. What are its applications? Determining of the fluid properties such as density, vapor pressure, etc. Design of valves, pipes, gates, etc. Water resources and irrigation engineering. What is water resource and irrigation engineering? It mainly deals with tapping of or storage of water and supplying it to water to agricultural fields for drinking purpose, domestic or industrial purposes. It mainly includes identifying, planning, building, and retaining water structures such as dams, tanks, and carrying stored water to needy places is called water resource engineering. What is irrigation? As we all know, are the artificial means of supplying water to agricultural needs is called as irrigation. So next, we have about the transportational engineering. Transportation is very important need for everyone in this generation. It plays a very important role in the economic development of the country. It mainly deals with the study of existing transportation system and their improvements in safe drive. It also includes traffic management, including traffic signals, number of lanes, parking facilities, etc. Now, let's see what are the scope of transportational engineering. It involves planning, designing, construction, and operation and maintenance of the transportation facility. It contributes economic, industrial, social, and cultural development to any country. Design of traffic signal for traffic control also comes under the transportational engineering. Next, we have the environmental engineering. What is environmental engineering? Also see the scopes of environmental engineering. First of all, it is the important branch of civil engineering which covers both water supply and sanitary engineering. The importance of clean environment was felt with the rapid growth in population, growth in urbanization and industries. The central and state government have enacted laws for the protection of environment needed for safe living of human beings, even though we are not able to get the required quantities what we wanted. The following are the scopes of environmental engineering. It involves collection of water, purification, and supply for drinking, wastewater collection, treatment and disposal, air pollution control and their treatment, solid waste management and control. Next, we have the remote sensing and GIS. This is one of the new field. The improvement in space technology, availability of GPS, enhance the scope of geographic information system. Good mapping technique helps to get required information accurately and quickly to effective manage and monitoring available resources for optimal use. GIS is an high-tech equivalent of any map. It represents a mean to locate ourselves in the world around us. It deals with the measurement, mapping, monitoring, and modeling of geodetic information around us. So last is the earthquake engineering. What is earthquake? As we all know, earthquake is a sudden and rapid shaking of the ground due to passage of vibration beneath caused by transient disturbance of elastic or gravitational equilibrium of rocks. The study of earthquake is called as seismology. Earthquake is measured using observation from seismometers. Seismic waves are recorded in instruments called seismographs. Earthquakes with magnitude of about 2 or less are usually called micro-earthquake, whereas it is recorded on local seismographs. The earthquakes which have magnitudes of 8 or higher is called as macro-earthquakes. So we have come to the end of the different scopes of civil engineering. Thanks for watching.